at IMTS 2018 at the Kitamura booth. Let's see what cool stuff they've got on the floor this year. Let's check it out. Let's check this bad boy out. It's a My Center HX500IG/630. It's a horizontal machining center. This machine is equipped with a 630 millimeter table, which gives you more flexibility for workpiece size. It's sharp, so I can't touch it. This is the My Trunnion 2G. It's a vertical 5-axis machine, just unveiled at the show this year. Let's see what else we've got. This is another new machine unveiled at IMTS. It's the Med Center 5AX. It's a vertical 5-axis machine with a 12-station pallet pool. It's perfect for cutting medical parts and micro machining. This is the Supercell 300G. It's a manufacturing cell. It comes equipped with 20 pallets, but you can add up to 80. It comes with 174 tools. You can add up to 314. It's perfect for lights out operation. This is the My Center HX300IG/400. It's a horizontal machining center. This machine comes equipped with an 8-station pallet pool that can be retrofitted in the field. It also has a 400 millimeter table that offers greater workpiece flexibility. We can also add up to 314 tools, making this an automation-ready machine. Hope you enjoyed our tour of Kitamura at IMTS. Got a lot of exciting things going on here. We unveiled 2 new machines. It was awesome. Thanks for coming along.